unconditional the way I treat them, but believe me that it's always a value exchange. Your partner, your friends, your parents, everyone, anyone in your life, if you are giving them value, they're gonna give you the value. Whatever you are putting on the table, they're gonna serve you the way you are serving them. If you don't put anything on the table and they are the one who is putting everything on the table, that relationship would not last longer, because they will anyone will get tired of this. कोई भी एक रिलेशनशिप को चलाने की 100% रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी अपने ऊपर लेकर नहीं चल सकता with that mindset that this is my unconditional love and I am gonna be in a miserable state, I'm gonna suffer a lot, I'm gonna kill my inner self, I'll kill my happiness to just make that person. Actually, unconditional love is that you just kill your happiness to make other person happy. First of all, you cannot do this for a longer time. एक टाइम के बाद you're gonna be tired and you're gonna be like, it's enough, it's done, I cannot do this anymore. And if you're doing this, then you are being unfair to your mental health. एक टाइम के पास आपके पास कुछ भी नहीं बचेगा किसी को देने के लिए, जब आप इतना ओवर गिव कर दोगे. So somehow I understand that it is a fantasy that every one of us want to be loved unconditional, but the maturity is that this is a prison, the type of the prison जो आपसे आपका सब कुछ छीन सकता है.